Hey guys, it's Tanoa. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm gonna be showing you guys how I got these invisible locks. And all I gotta say is, to whoever came up with this genius idea to come up with this hairstyle, round of applause to you, because why does it actually look like I have locks for real? Like, y'all take a look at this. Like, y'all can't tell me that this don't look cute. But anyways, let's go ahead and hop right into this video, and yeah.
Okay, so let's go ahead and hop right into this. So I'm starting out on freshly washed and blow dried hair, and the hair that I'll be using is this 24-inch Afro twist hair from ZRQ on Amazon. All the information and a link to the hair will be in the description box below, so you can get it if you choose to, replicate this style. And here I'm just showing you the texture of the hair, how long it is, and just how dense the hair is. And for the sectioning of my hair, I did 8 in the front and then 6 in the back, just so I could get, the big parts out the way so I wouldn't have to go back and redo them. And I also did the back section of my hair so I could get the hang of it and just know what I'm doing before moving on to the front section of my hair and showing y'all. So making sure my hair is nice and detangled, I went ahead and split that section in half because I didn't want them to be too big in the front. And then I put some braiding gel to make it nice and smooth. Then for each section, I'm just splitting it in half, doing a very loose braid on each half before crocheting in the hair through each section.
I would drop it out, buy a house in New Orleans. Off the empty and I'm sure I'm important. With a Grammy, I'll be ballin' like I'm Jordan. While you hear the snoring, I'll be busy scoring. I would drop it out, buy a house in New Orleans. Off the empty and I'm sure I'm important. With a Grammy, I'll be ballin' like I'm Jordan.
So one common mistake that I made while doing this hairstyle was crocheting too much hair within each section, and in a bit you'll be able to clearly see what I mean by that. So once I crocheted the hair in, I went in and flat twisted the sections down and then twisted them together. And here is what I mean with crocheting too much hair. So as I'm twisting, it created a bulk that you'll be able to see right here. Right there. So it created a bulk and it just didn't look seamless or well blended, and it was very obvious that I added hair. So in order to fix that, I just took out the crocheted hair, split it in half, and then recrocheted the hair in. And then, as you'll be able to see in a bit, it blended a lot better, really well, and it just was very, very seamless.
Circle, I don't really need them. We were saying we up next forever. Now we really mean it. We about that action, acting bad shit when you see us. Yeah, I'm passionate. I work hard so when it pop, it ain't on accident. Yeah, I'm always on go. Better watch how I go. Don't forget to let you know I be ballin'. I would drop it out, buy a house in New Orleans. Up the empty and I'm sure I'm important. With a Grammy, I'll be ballin' like I'm Jordan. While you hear the snoring, I'll be busy scoring. I would drop it out, buy a house in New Orleans. Off the empty and I'm sure I'm important. With a Grammy, I'll be ballin' like I'm Jordan. While you hear the snoring, I'll be busy ballin', 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 ballin'. Yeah, I'll be busy ballin', ballin', ballin'.
So yeah, as you saw, splitting the crocheted hair in half just made it look a lot better than what it looked like before, and it just made it look even throughout and just very seamless and well blended. Also, I do want to say that this is a very high tension hairstyle, and using the clips helped to keep the base from twisting and tightening more than it needed to and causing discomfort, which I do not like, and I'm sure you wouldn't like also. Now, the other common mistake that I made when twisting the hair was twisting in the wrong direction, y'all. So we do the same method, crocheting the hair in, applying the gel to make it nice and smooth, braiding the hair, you know, all of that. And then after the flat twisting, you want to make sure that you twist in the opposite direction that you flat twisted when it comes to two-strand twisting it. So as you see here, I flat twisted away from my face, and I also twisted away from my face. So that caused the twist to unravel when I eventually released it. So in order to fix that, I had to retwist it in the opposite direction that I flat twisted. So I flat twisted away from my face, which means I will be twisting to my face for the two-strand twist part. Other than these things though, this hairstyle was very, very easy to do. As long as you know how to flat twist, you'll be good. But even if you don't know how to flat twist, you can still do this hairstyle by just twisting the base alone. You know, it'll still look cute and look like invisible locks. But yeah.
Drop it out, buy a house in New Orleans. Up the ante and I'm sure I'm important. Win a Grammy, I'll be ballin' like I'm Jordan. While you hear the snoring, I'll be busy scoring. I would drop it out, buy a house in New Orleans. Up the ante and I'm sure I'm important. Win a Grammy, I'll be ballin' like I'm Jordan. While you hear the snoring, I'll be busy ballin', 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 ballin'. Yeah, I be busy ballin', 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 ooh, boy. I be cashing checks like it ain't shit. Loose leaf in it. When we go out, always in the VIP. Whole crew be lit. Running my money up.
So to go over it again, all I did to create this look was split each section in half, do a very loose braid on each section. You don't even have to braid all the way down, just an inch or so, and then I crocheted the hair in within each of the braids at the base of them for both sections. And then I applied some gel and flat twisted each of the sections, and I kept the hair in my mouth, which was kind of nasty to be honest, but I kept them in my mouth to keep them from unraveling. And then I went ahead and twisted, two-strand twisted each of the sections together, and that is it.
For my mama, when I finally make it, take on my vacations to Bahamas, always celebrating. Ever since my birthday was the bomb, and now I'm detonating. No, you can't relate, you just can't relate. Every day I wake up like a boss, and I be thanking Jesus. Fakers trying to get up in my circle, I don't really need them. We been saying we up next forever, now we really mean it. We about that action, acting bad shit when you see us, yeah. I'm passionate, I work hard so when it pop it ain't on accident. Yeah, I'm always on go.
So now that I'm done with all the twisting and flat twisting and parting, I'm just showing you the length of the hair, and they were actually pretty long and honestly the perfect length for this hairstyle. Now for the barrels, those were the quickest part of this hairstyle. They were very quick and easy to do, and to do them I just folded the hair up to my desired length and then twisted the hair up around itself and then back down to, you know, finish off the hair. And then I applied a rubber band for extra security, and that was honestly it. And for the others, I just measured it against the others that were already made to make sure that they were consistent in their length. And yeah, that was it.
Running my money up, watch it up in the sky. I ain't picking up. That's $6 on the line. You know I ain't got the time. I be busy on the move. People wonder how I made it here. They ain't see me paying dues. I was living check to check. Now I'm whipping something new. Better pay me my respect. I ain't never gonna lose. I'll be ballin'. I would drop it out, buy a house in New Orleans. Up the empty and I'm sure I'm important. With a Grammy, I'll be ballin' like I'm Jordan. While you hear the snoring, I'll be busy scoring. I would drop it out, buy a house in New Orleans. Up the empty and I'm sure I'm important. With a Grammy, I'll be ballin' like I'm Jordan. While you hear the snoring, I'll be busy ballin', ballin', ballin'. Yeah, I'll be busy ballin', ballin', ballin'.
And here is the final look. I absolutely loved this hairstyle, you guys. It was super cute and very lightweight. I would definitely do this hairstyle again. Like, it just looked really nice. But yeah, that's basically it and how I did these invisible locks. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please make sure you subscribe and comment down below if you want to see more videos from me, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.
My vacations to Bahamas, always celebrating. Ever since my birthday was the bomb, and now I'm detonating. No, you can't relate. You just can't relate. Every day I wake up like a boss, and